If you're like me and you like coffee and carbonated beverage, so why not make your very own coffee soda at home? Hey, how are you? Over here, welcome back. Kumusta? So today I'm going to share with you how to make your very own coffee soda. So check it out. Later in this video, I'll be sharing you the ingredients and I'll teach you step by step how to make your very own drink at home. Ready to do your coffee soda? Let's go! Hey, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Hey, if you like my content, please also follow my social media account, Facebook and Instagram at The Practical Gentleman. That's all for now. See you in the next one.